Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to roast fish, roasted fish, and I'm using onions with my pepper and lemon. So let's start roasting it. I'm not going to use local fire today. I'm going to use electric oven to roast my fish. So let's see how I roast my fish. So now I'm arranging it. You can see how I do. This is pepper with a little tomato. I'll rub it this way and put onion with some Maggi. This is my Maggi. Gonna put inside of the fish with some onions inside, salt and lemon. So now putting the fish here to roast. We are using chips to eat the fish. So now fry my chips there. So the other time I arranged my fish, but it was summer winter time, so I did not use this electric grill. But today I'm using the electric one. The local one is more sweet because I use the fire where we heat our house to arrange the fish. Is more sweet. But today is Sunday and we need to eat fish. My daughter loves fish. So this is how I arrange my fish. I know people have different way of doing their fish, but this is how I do mine. I boil my pepper, put my onions and Maggi with lemon, salt and everything, and my fish is on this side. Yeah, you can see how my fish is going. Yummy. You can see our fish is ready. We are ready to eat it now. Waiting for the chips to be ready. Come and join us.